morning, everyone. I'm Sarah, partner at Sign. We're building a global distributing platform for goods, services, and assets. You might have heard of us as e-sign, token table, attestations, and many other things. But today, I want to tell you about the Sign app. First, let's rewind back to the date. First, let's rewind back to the day that I was applying for my first student visa to the United States. That was a long time ago. But I still remember I lined up for a very long time, and then I was carrying over 2 kilograms heavy of supporting documents. To give you an idea of how heavy that is, my MacBook is not even 2 kilograms. There was like my, obviously, admission letters, and then my parents' bank statement accounts, and then also my high school, middle school, elementary school transcripts, or other award certificates, their copies, and also their translated versions. And what's even worse is a lot of these copies or translated versions cannot be even reused elsewhere. Why? Because the current system do not know how to verify documents across borders. We were definitely doing too much authentications. Some of the processes might have improved for some countries during the past years, but many are still relying on pens and papers. So that's my own experience. Have any of these things happened to you in the past? Like miss a flight because your visa didn't arrive on time, or you had to pay up for like urgent documents last minute, or like call up your parents, dig up some old documents back at home. I've done all these in the past. According to World Bank, 72% of the visa rejections actually came from unverified documents. This is not just inconvenient. It's actually costing the global travel industry over 147 billion every single year. There's gotta be a better solution out there. So now, let's reimagine the whole process with a Sign app. First, your identity will be reborn inside the Sign app. Last year, we already collaborated with Sierra Leone to issue digital permanent resident IDs for their new joiners. And we're also collaborating with UAE to issue and verify their sovereign IDs on chain. Next, your documents can travel with you. Currently, your bank statement, your employment letters, and then your income proofs, they're all static files. But with Sign app, they're going to become dynamic attestations stored on chain, owned by you, and can be verified like blockchain transactions. Then your visa processes will be much more simplified. We're in conversation with Thailand and Barbados in terms of digital visa process. And our goal is to cover over 20 countries this year. That means by then, we'll have an on-chain digital visa ecosystem. And last, there's going to be a financial utility inside the Sign app. With Rollup as a service, we're helping governments to issue sovereign chains, where Sign protocol will be powering those chains as well, to support stablecoin wallets, compliant payments, and digital IDs, all inside one single Sign app. What does that mean? In the future, not just your visa process will be much more simplified in the future, but then you will be able to pay local vendors using your Sign app when you travel to those countries. However, Sign app is not just about cross-border. It's about building a trust ecosystem. You can verify your identity by connecting your real-world credentials to on-chain addresses, and you can swap, sign, manage your tokens through our token table integrations. There's going to be building attestations and KYC infrastructures inside the Sign app. And we're already discussing with some of our pilot partners regarding distributing UBI-based social welfares to their local citizens, also inside the Sign app. Last but not least, we will have a social layer inside the Sign app. That means community can join, contribute, and earn rewards along the way. All these things, again, are inside one single Sign app, integrating our past products such as eSign, Token Table, Sign Pass, or anything you've heard of that we built. And speaking of community, A lot of these ideas actually stems from our community. We call them Orange Dynasty. Orange is a Bitcoin color. It's also the sign color. And you can see our very lovely sign merch I'm wearing right now. So our series builders, content creators, support warriors, they're all contributing to our sign dynasty. If you've watched our sign interns April 1st prank video, you will know we do not encourage any farming or empty hypes. Instead, serious contributions will be recognized through our SBTs, and that will stay along with you inside the sign app afterwards. A lot of people ask us, how do we manage to build such a vibrant community? Our answer is, we empower them by giving them a lot of space, and our slogan is actually, be the best version of yourself. So in my opinion, this is not just about decentralization. It's actually about culture regeneration. As Sign, we also think bold. We aim to be the infrastructure for a borderless world. We will be the verified network for people, organizations, and AI agents. Credentials will be issued by sovereign governments and institutions connecting to your on-chain addresses. A lot of those global services, in the future, they will be seamlessly integrated into the Sign app. That means you can imagine that there's no longer the need of a physical bank account in the future, and obviously your visa paperwork is no longer needed. So we are here to power the world's next layer of digital infrastructure. And speaking of AI, as Sign, we actually believe Web3 is not just built for human beings. It's actually a very perfect use case for machines. So smart contract is a very good bridge of trust between human beings and AI agents. AI agents right now can already sign, issue tokens, distribute airdrops via the Sign protocol. And last month, we just powered the first AI-human super alignment accord at the AGI House in San Francisco. So AGI House is actually the hub of a lot of serious AI startups in the Bay Area. So this is us. We're not competing with AI. We're making AI trustworthy. So this is us, Sign. We build useful things that works. And then last thing, our app is coming next month. So we encourage everyone to join us and build a borderless future together. Thank you.